Hello everyone, this is Ben Brooks, motoring advisor at MINI Pensacola. It is definitely a sunny day down here on the Gulf Coast. I hope wherever you are, you're also having an awesome day. I wanted to take a moment to highlight another recent arrival. This time it is a gently used 2019 MINI Cooper S Hardtop two-door. Take a look at this one. So here it is, a 2019 MINI Cooper S Hardtop two-door, featuring the nice electric blue metallic paint. Also has that nice contrasting white roof and white mirror caps. We also see those nice 17-inch Tentacle Spoke silver alloy wheels. This one also features the comfort access or the premium package. As we can see, it's got the keyless entry on the door. And again, folks, believe it or not, this car has super low miles. I believe just under 12,000 miles. The previous owner really took care of this Mini, and it shows in the nice paint job, well maintained, no nicks, no cuts. Glass, the front windshield is free of any cracks also. Like the nice chrome on there, the nice chrome gas cap cover and the chrome trim. Take a closer look up top at the roof area. Also features that nice sunroof. Got the shorty antenna. What a nice, pristine used Mini. Nice, cool racing stripes, LED headlights. Also have our fog lights. No peeling or cracking around the chrome headlight rings. Also in the back, no peeling or cracking around the taillight rings. Let's take a look inside. Wow. Nice piano black trim in the doors. We also feature our button that we can press here to be able to fold in. It's got the side folding side mirrors. Take a look inside. Of course, it is an S. We know that. We also see those nice sport seats that's standard with all S models. This one also has the auto dimming rearview mirror. No need to have to flip that up for any bright lights behind you. Automatically does it itself or takes the glare off the lights. Take a look up top. Nice panoramic sunroof. It's got that nice JCW steering wheel, the logo there. And again, let's take a closer look at those miles. We mentioned, there it is, 11,914 miles on a 2019. Impressive. Go ahead and start it up. So we got the dual climate control. Nice checkered dash there. And this one does have Harmon Kardon. It also features the nice LED ring around your center instrument. And of course, we know in 2019, the Mini's added the collision avoidance system. So again, how that works, as long as it's green here, it's activated. And of course, what's activated, we have frontal collision warning. We also have pedestrian warning. If someone suddenly stops in front of you or you're driving with that frontal collision warning box check there, the car will alert you and slow it down to avoid a serious accident. We also got the nice pedestrian warning. If you're cruising through a parking lot or through slow traffic, someone walks out in between you, or I should say not in between, but in front of you, will also alert you and enable that emergency braking. Another feature that we have in our center, not our center, but our instrument cluster, notice there it shows our speed limit on the posted highway. So it picks up the speed limit signs, and of course a nice reminder, so we know the speed limits can change. So you will always know what the speed is on any major roads or secondary roads you're traveling on. In accordance, also letting you know your speed. We got the nice tack over here. Nice fuel visual display for our fuel gauge. And of course, as always, on the end of the cluster here, this one has for BC or onboard computer. As we press that, it changes the information that we see in the middle here. And then we can always go back to our main screen, which will also bring us up to the digital output for our speed. If we just don't want to see it in the analog format, we have the digital format. Also, on the end of this stock here, notice we got the headlight with the A. That's going to activate our auto dimming for our bright lights. So if you have your bright lights activated at night, Just simply activate them and press that button on the end, and if the car senses a car approaching you from the opposite direction, or you coming up close behind a car, it automatically dims your high beams. What a nice luxury feature. Of course, we see our cruise control, and we also have our buttons here for our programmable. We can control our Bluetooth devices, or answer calls rather, and then next to that we have our volume controls. Let's just take a look down here. Like I mentioned, we got the dual climate control. Underneath that we have our heated seats for the passenger and the driver, and we also have this nice, you'll probably see this in a lot of the newer cars also, this auto start stop, where when that is activated, and to activate it you just press it, the light goes out, and if you were to stop for a prolonged period of time at a traffic intersection, the car would, to cut down on emissions, it'll turn off. And what you would notice is over here in your tack, this needle here would drop down to where it says ready. But as soon as you either took your foot off the brake or move the steering wheel, the car instantly starts back up. So what a nice feature to cut down on emissions. But the Mini does feature where you can, if you don't want that to use that option, you can just simply press the button, orange light comes on, and that feature is disabled. Of course, where we start our car, we've got our traction control and our different drive modes between sport, green, and mid. Of course, we know it always defaults to that mid mode every time we start the car. And moving down in the middle, we got our shifter, and down here our control, our iDrive to control the features on the screen here. If we press the menu button, that will bring this center stack back to our main menu. Also, in addition to AM/FM radio, this car does feature satellite radio. So if you're looking for one that has that installed, this one has that capability. It's already part of the package. This Mini also features the storage package in the rear cargo area. We also have the all-weather floor mats. We got the cargo, or the compartment mat. But underneath all of that, we lift up, and there we have a hidden storage. Includes the first aid kit. We also have the original antenna that was there, and of course those original carpeted floor mats. Take a look at it from the rear. Can't say it enough, what a really well-maintained Mini. So there we have it, folks, a nice, gently used 2019 MINI Cooper S Hardtop two-door. Again, I can't emphasize it enough, this car was well maintained by the previous owner. It was locally purchased and locally traded in to us. So if you know someone, or if you're interested in this particular Mini, feel free to send me a text or give me a call at 850-723-2870. And of course, if it's not just this car, keep in mind that we have plenty of pre-owned cars of various makes and model, and a limited number of new Mini models in stock. So again, hope you continue to have an awesome Wednesday. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to like it. And of course, if you enjoy the videos, be sure to subscribe for future videos. Hope you continue to have an awesome Wednesday. Take care.